Smart Wi-Fi operation. Return to the charging base to dock and recharge after cleaning. Replace the dust bag. Open the top cover and take out the dust bag by pulling up its handle. Clean the interior of the charging base and station filter with a soft and slightly damp cloth. Insert the new dust bag. When you hear a snap sound, it means the dust bag is properly installed. Then close the lid.